Hey y'all. So I'm waiting on my brother to come. We're about to go on a bike ride. So while waiting on my brother, I was like, well, let me come out here and check to see how the brassicas are recovering from the cabbage worm devastation. And yeah, they're looking pretty good. Come on, it's just been a week. Let me show you what's going on. See, don't give up hope. Now, I did pull up, a lot, but the ones that I kept, like, look at this nice growth here. This kale, let's see, it's got a little bit of growth. I think that this might be a cabbage. I think this is a cabbage. Okay, so let's check over here. Come on, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that nature ain't amazing. Nature is freaking amazing. Come on, come. It's been 1 week. Let me show you. Okay, look, so I pulled off like a lot of like the inner leaves and stuff, and I kept a few of the holy ones. And look at this beautiful growth that's happening, and look what's happening in there. Just your little bitty shimmy just happening. Yeah, come on. Okay, yeah, see, and this is after a week. After a week, we're looking good. Ooh, got powdery mildew. I saw it coming. I didn't catch it in time. Didn't catch it in time. That's a whole bit of this lesson too. But yeah. So oh yeah, look, that's a beautiful, nice little head coming up. Okay, y'all. Right. Well, a little forming, a little something forming. Okay, look at that. Okay, so yeah, I've been out here since the last time I was with you all, and I saw the devastation, and I picked off like they weren't even really leaves anymore, but I think you all saw the devastation. If not, go and please check that out, the part 1. But so this is about after a week. I think this is like a week, and yeah. And things are growing back. I've come out here just one time. I came out here, I think maybe 2 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, to spray them with some more BT. And I had already checked the ones over there, like the little baby ones. I didn't even show you all like what they did to the babies. I'm like, oh my word, they were savages, man, savages. Yeah, but I am very, very pleased. Wait. I can't remember which one I'm walking back here for. But, oh, geez, it's powdery mildew. Oh, geez, it's just taking over. Let me just show you real fast. Y'all, look, here's the lesson for real. Like, catch stuff when it's small. Like, I saw the powdery mildew just a little bit. See, it's like taken over totally. And, hey, I did not address it, but okay. Yeah, and boy, and it spread all the way across the other, but I saw it when it was just a little bit of a speck. And okay, yeah, so I did see it, and I saw it when it was small, and I could have done something, because this is the whole reason why, this is a part 2 of the whole cabbage worm debacle. But I had the same attitude as I did that time with the cabbage worms. I'm like, look, I'm like going through some things, and I'm putting myself first, and so it's unfortunate for this plant, but I stick by my decision. So, and look like there's a couple of cucumbers. Well, what is that? I saw one. I saw one. I believe there's another one in here somewhere where we've got flowers and things, but just the male flowers. I don't see too many of the fruiting flowers. Yeah, see a lot of the males. Yeah, like, I don't know, this is taking over pretty bad. I might pull this up, maybe put a cover crop or something here. I think so. I think it's okay to let that go. But my little baby kale here. I never showed you all, but just show you now. So this kale I planted in July, and like, geez, so you see, so this, this is pretty good. So I did with the baby kale. Let's see his butt. I sprayed the baby kale too recently. But I did just like I did with the other kale, like with the really holy leaves. I took them out. Like, yeah, like you see this here, like they really did a muck on this. So these really, and you see like little leaves are sprouting back out. So I'm keeping these little scrawny things just to really see, like, geez, like how can life return? What are you? Oh, that's a weed. Yeah. But yeah, so that's an update. I'll keep y'all updated. Most things are repairable, to some extent. Yeah, now I'm just looking around and like, oh, gotta do this, gotta do that. Anyway, but there could always be something to do, or you could be like, Lao Tzu. Oh, geez, I'm messing up the name, y'all. But yeah, whatever. So okay, thank you. So like, subscribe, and I hope you learned something. Please, I want to create like a teaching learning community. Please tell me like what your experiences are with cabbage worms, and what you have done to like rectify a very devastating situation. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next episode. Okay, bye.